Do you want to take a payment for an invoice or mark a payment already received? In this video, we'll show you how to easily receive payment for a specific invoice in just a few steps. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Invoices section. Then, go to the section where the invoice you want to initiate a payment is located. This could include draft, outstanding, past due, or broken promise. For this video, I'll demonstrate using the Outstanding section as an example. Click on the invoice ID for which you want to receive a payment. This will take you to the Invoice Details page. Next, click the More button and choose a Receive a Payment. The Add Payment screen will appear. There are two types of payment receipt: cash receipt and process payment. I won't delve into these two types in this video, but I'll illustrate their flow and meanings. First, with cash receipt. If you've received a payment that hasn't been processed through Blixo and you want to create a payment for this invoice, you can choose cash receipt. Fill out all required fields and click the Submit button. Let's check it out. Success. The status has changed from issued to paid, and the payment for this invoice has been created. Next, with process payment. If you want to initiate a payment through Blixo for this invoice, you can choose Process Payment. Fill out all required fields and click the Submit button. Let's see what happens. Congratulations! We've successfully received payment for a specific invoice in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.